It started with an article I clicked by accident. Krui surfing spots. One place caught my attention. Krui. I didn't know much about it. I just felt curious. I opened the map, zoomed out, zoomed in, and asked myself a simple question. What if I cycled there? I started checking everything. Distance, altitude, villages, places to sleep. The more I planned it, the more possible it felt. It wasn't a plan anymore. It was becoming a decision. I had 9 days of vacation. No support car, just me and the bike. My goal was simple. Finish this ride in 4 days. The first paddles always feel easy. The city slowly disappeared behind me. Ahead was only the road.
Alright, take a break. I found a place called Masaya. Okay, let's take a look.
That's what I need. Wow, this must have cheesecake. And there's Mickey. Looks nice. The road is flat, like this. This area. And this is my final destination today, Kota Agung. The road started to curve, downhill, fast. Moments like this remind me why I ride.
Today is Monday morning. Seems there's not too many
Day 2 began quietly.
along the street.
My legs felt heavy, but my mind was calm. I wasn't looking for this place. I just followed a small path.
Kid is playing.
Sometimes the road gives you gifts when you least expect them.
Slippery. Oh. Yeah, this is a... This rock. Look at the wave. The wave is so strong. You snake or what? Oh, what's that? Oh, so muddy. What the heck? Ooh, see, it's so muddy, it's slippery. Oh shoot! Oh. Seafood again. Take a look.
Fresh seafood, simple food, exactly what I needed.
So personally, I really like the grilled stuff, and I like the smoky flavor.
Tomorrow is another story.